Oh, this is such a good look, isn't it? I'm gonna go get changed. Well, we're really doing this, aren't we? Yes. Yes, we are. Because I totally need more on my plate. Not really. Willow. Hello, darling. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come say hi to everyone. Oh, hello, baby girl. Come on, Willow. Say hi. Hey guys. So, welcome to my YouTube video and my channel. Because who doesn't like sitting in front of a camera all by themselves like a loser? The first video, I thought I'd do a quick, like 20 questions about myself, and then, okay, we get it, you're outside. And then a quick unboxing because I got my pretty little things packaged today, and then I've got a few items. So I went to the bookstore, got a pair of shoes from Windsor Smith because I went to their outlet, and yeah, I thought I'd share some stuff about me. So I'm just gonna hop into my phone and get the questions. Alright, let's do this. So first question is, where did I grow up? So I grew up in Melbourne, Victoria, in Australia, and I lived on the Mornington Peninsula with my family, and I grew up there for 21 years and then moved out to closer to the city for about a year and a half, then moved back to the peninsula, and yeah, but I've spent most of my life on the Mornington Peninsula, and if you haven't been, it is a beautiful place, so highly recommend. Question number 2. Where do I currently live? So I currently live about 10 k's out of the CBD now. I still live in Victoria, in Melbourne, and yeah, I just live closer to the city because that's where I work. Who is my best friend? My best friend is Mel, and Emma, and Cassie. I love those girls so much. Question 4. How tall am I? I am 167 centimeters, so 5'6", 5'7", something like that. Let's just go with 5'7" because who doesn't want to be taller? I want to be taller. Dogs or cats? So you've met Willow. Willow is adorable. So dogs, obviously, but I do have a cat. Unfortunately, my cat does not live with my partner and I because my partner is allergic. So yeah, he's living with my mum, and I miss him so much, but he's so cute. But yeah, enough of that now. Question 6, how old am I? I am 26 years old, born in 1993, so I am a 90s baby, where all the good times were had. So question 7, funniest moment throughout high school. Oh God, I was a loser in school. My girl Mel would not say that because she's not a loser and we were friends at school. But funniest moment was, there's this photo of me and I look like Simple Jack, and it's hilarious. And I'll just put a quick snippet here because who doesn't want to see that on the internet? What is my favorite drink? Non-alcoholic. I'd probably go with water. I love me some like chilled cold water. Delish. Alcoholic, now that's a hard one. It depends on the day really. So if it is like a cold day, I would go either a glass of white wine or a G&T or a cocktail. Who doesn't love an espresso martini? And on a cold night, I'd probably just go a red wine or a cocktail. Girl, gotta love her cocktails, that's for sure. What perfume am I wearing? So today I am wearing Giorgio Armani C. That is my scent, but I am slowly transitioning into Chloe Nomad. Oh, love me some musky, florally scents. Love it. Question 11. Someone's calling me. I don't know who you are. Your number is not in my phone, so I ain't picking up. Alright, back to the questions. 11. What is my spirit animal and why? Probably a dolphin, because they get to have sex for enjoyment, and who doesn't love that? I know, they're just so smart. And I feel like I'm smart, so I deserve to be a dolphin. Tea or coffee? Tea. I actually can't drink coffee. So I used to would have chosen coffee over tea any day of the week. But now it's tea. Love me some tea. What are my life goals? Life goals. Look, I feel like I am professionally getting there in terms of my job. So I feel like that's not like my biggest life goal at the moment. Probably saving for a house with my man and having babies and getting married and all that stuff, you know. But yes, that's probably a life goal of mine. Question 15. What sports do I play or have I played? So I don't play any sports anymore because this girl has snapped both of her ACLs and never again. So I'd probably say I do gym now. Love gym. Going to go to gym after this. But I used to play tennis and soccer. Just not professionally. I wish. But club sports was fine. Question 16. What is my favorite movie? I don't know. Not a massive movie person. More of a series person. Love me some TV shows, especially the trashy reality TV ones, like give me Bachelor, give me Bachelor in Paradise, Married at First Sight. Sorry, Sean, not sorry. But favorite movie, I don't know. Anything with Leonardo DiCaprio in it. Honey. Question 17. Do I speak any other languages? I can't even speak English. Other than English? No, I do not. So, what is my go-to hairstyle? Well, I only just cut my hair, so and coloured it for the first time. So I'd say this is probably my go-to hairstyle, but my hair is drying very quick at the moment, so I usually sometimes leave it out as well. You'll see that. You'll see that. Next question. How many siblings do I have? I have 2 other siblings, both younger, a brother and a sister. I love them. Even though they annoy me sometimes. What do I use? PC or Mac? I'm an Apple person. Period. I don't think that's ever going to change. And last but not least, why have I done that YouTube? I guess, no. I just thought, on top of full-time work and full-time study, why not just add YouTube into that? And I think I'm going to get a big scare when I figure out how hard, oh, there's a fly, how intense and time-consuming this is going to be. But look, gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, I hope that allows you to get to know me better. And now let's jump into the unboxing, unpackaging haul bit. So firstly, we'll go with pretty little thing. So the bag is pretty big. We'll just dive right into this. So I got 3 pairs of shoes and 2 pairs of clothes. So firstly is this white Plunge belt detail Bardot top in a size 14. So the reason I got a size 14 is because I'm actually quite busty up the top, and with PLT, like, it's just so hit and miss with sizing. So I'd rather go a little bit bigger and be able to cinch in the waist. So yeah, I'm trying to beat the light right now guys, so I'm sorry if the light's changing so much, but the sun's going down and I haven't got my ring light yet, so she's a coming. But oh gosh, look, I think I'm just gonna put a cutaway image of this on, because let's be honest, I ain't doing it justice right now. But there's like this little tortoise shell detailing on the belt, silver hardware. Yeah, material looks nice. Yeah, I'll have to try it on to see if it fits. And then the second thing I got these shorts. Oh yes. So I got these Paperbag style shorts in a size, I think I got them in a size 12, just because I like my shorts a little baggier and then cinching in at the waist. Yes, so I got a size 12, and look, Melbs is going into winter. She's arriving hot and heavy, but I don't know, these are really cute and I didn't want to pass them up, so I got them. And then the shoes. Look, when I like something, I buy them in every color. So I got 3 pairs of shoes that look exactly the same, but just in different colorways. So firstly, I got this mustard color, and they're actually, look, they smell bad, but the way that they package them is really cute. And just so you know guys, I'll leave my sizes and all the items down below so you can go find them if you want. But I got all my shoes in a size 38 because I have gotten shoes from Pretty Little Things before and the size guide was just totally off. Like, a size 8 was not a size 8. It was big. And then I got it in this nude blushy color. And then last but not least, I then got them in the black. So yeah, that's what I got from PLT. I am seriously racing against the light right now. Whew. The light is fading quick. Oh. I got just 2 items from Stylerunner because they were having a massive mid-season sale, and I thought I'd jump on that bandwagon. What is it? So all I got was a t-shirt and a pair of pants. So the first one is this contrast t-shirt in, what would you call this color? Like a grey mauvey color and white, so I can't wait to wear that. And then secondly, I just got me some Nike bike shorts in the 5-inch length, and I got this in a size medium because I didn't want them to be like, but I still wanted them to be like, so. And then I got the top in, what size did I get the top? I got the top in a large. So yeah. And then from Windsor, I got myself some booties because I know these look slick on, and I can wear them to work, I can wear them out, and they're just so versatile. And then last but not least, I went to the bookstore today. I was just walking past the bookstore at work, and yeah, they are closing down and everything was $7. So girl got some books. I got a cooking book. I do most of the cooking in the house. Sean would question that a lot, but I got a casserole book because I like mixing it up. I got a few gifts, so I'm not going to show them. And then I'm into crime thriller novels, so I got this one called Vanishing Girls, so can't wait to read that. Got another cookbook, more like everyday sort of meals. And then last but not least, I got this other crime thriller called Graveland. So yeah. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you want to leave any suggestions down below, that would be great, and I would really appreciate it. But other than that, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. I am aiming to post every week, once a week at the moment, just because I do work full-time and the only real time I've got off is on the weekends, so I will try to do that for you. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. It will be another haul most likely, because I've done a little bit of shopping with the change of seasons. So yeah, thanks guys.